D. Season 1 to 18 winners and masters list. D1 winner Harinath Reddy, choreographer, Nobel Master. D2 winner Prithvi, choreographer, Ganesh Master. D3 winner Satya, choreographer, Raghu Master. D4 winner Bhavya, choreographer, Ritu Master. D5 winner Prasad and Anusha, choreographer, Shekhar Master. D6 winner Anshu, choreographer, Suchin Master. D7 winner Varshini, choreographer, Bhushan Master. D8 winner Shivamani, choreographer, Yashwant Master. D9 winner Sanket and Priyanka, choreographer, Yashwant Master. D10 winner Raju, choreographer, Chitti Master. D11 winner Mahesh and Ritu, choreographer, Prashant Master. D12 winner Piyush, choreographer, Yashwant Master. D13 winner Kavyasri, choreographer, Ram Master. D14 winner Jatin, choreographer, Ram Master. D15 winner Team S9, choreographer, Somesh Master. D16 winner Hyderabad Ustad, choreographer, Grishma Master. D17 winner Varshini, choreographer, Sudarshan Master. D18 winner. Comment please. Comment your favorite winner and master name. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.